Yo, what is up, you guys? How you guys doing today? Welcome back to the channel. All right, so you guys know that I got this truck about a month ago, right? Since I had this thing, the lights, nothing worked except for like all the lights that you see on the dash. Those were the only ones that worked. So I pulled out every single fuse that there is. I checked them. They all had corrosion. So I took a wire brush. I cleaned out the fuse box, put everything back together. Okay, now that dude quit doing that, I took the fuse box, cleaned it up with a wire brush, put it all back together, put some new fuses in, and we have a radio. Actually, I took out the fuse. So we do have a radio that works. Only the speakers on this side work. So I'm still trying to figure out how to get my freaking headlights to work or whatever. And they won't work. Like, they wouldn't come on. So I come over here to this fuse box. I started pulling out these. Like, I've already checked all these a long time ago. So I started pulling out these fuses. I'm like, man, these are good. Like, there's no way that these are bad, whatever. So I looked at this and I'm reading it. Now the top one says 50 and it's for lighting. So it was right here. I pulled it out. I looked at it. There's nothing wrong with it. So I went to put it back in and I noticed that there was another slot right here. So I'm like, what the hell is that for? You know, the top one says 50 for lighting. We don't have no lights. So I put a freaking fuse in there. Check this out. Turn that on. We got some headlightage, bruh. And the freaking, come on, man. Always check your fuses. I thought that was like a ground wire or something bad. I don't know. So now I'm gonna go through all these. Like, I just went to the junkyard. I got a door handle for this truck and I just got some fuses. It was like $5 for all of it. But I didn't grab any big fuses because I didn't think I needed any. Well, turns out I did. So now I'm gonna have to get a big fuse, a big 50 for right here. And I'm just gonna go ahead and run through these to see if these are good or bad, or if I need to replace them, blah, 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 see what they go to. Okay, so I'm going through all of these right here. My blower motor does not work for my AC either. And I just found out, what's that? It's the second to the last one right there. It says blower. It is a 50. And the one above that is, or no, yeah, the one above that is for the ABS. And that's a 60. The 60 is right here. We got a 30 right here. There is the stop hazards. It's supposed to be right here. It's the last one. That's supposed to be a 30. And this, like, these three right here need to be swapped out. So I'm going to turn the truck off, swap these out real quick and see if anything works. Okay, so I was looking at this. This is 50, 40, 50, 50, 60, 50, 50, 30. That's exactly how it shows right here. 50, 50, 40, 50, 60, 50, 30. Now let's turn the truck on. Hopefully nothing's messed up. Hopefully I didn't put a fuse in the wrong spot, which looks like how it's supposed to be, because you got 30, 50, 50, 60. 30, 50, 60. Okay, so these two need to be swapped out, maybe. I don't know. This is dumb, but unless one of these, I don't know, dude. Wait, those two is for aux and aux. I don't know what that's for. Anyway, let's see what it does. Turn the truck on real quick. All right, start it up. Okay, turn on the blower motor. We lost radio. May just have to replace the fuse. Alright. Hey, we got gauge lights right here. These ones work. Looks like these two bottom ones. Yeah, those definitely work. But yeah, we still need to work with this crap. Figure out what the heck is going on. Yeah, this is crazy. But it means, I mean, at least we have lights. I don't know why I just messed up right there, but yeah, at least we got some lights. So that's a plus. Now I can drive this thing at night, even though I still don't have tags for it. So yeah. Oh baby, we got tail lights. We got, this light works. This light doesn't. Third brake light, it did work. Let me see if I can get that to come on. Turn this switch right here. And nowage. But do we have a dome light? Let's turn. Okay. So that works. This is, what is this for? I can't remember. This is for the dome on and off. Is it working? This thing is stuck. Guess what, boys? We have dome light, baby. Now if we can get the one in the middle to work. I think that's a light anyway. I don't know how we lost power to the battery. Maybe I need to swap that one back around to see if that'll work. That was definitely it. So we have radio now. So yeah, I need to get another fuse, another 50 amp fuse. And I bet these lights still don't work. Nope. All right, so it's the fuse problem. That's all we have now is the fuse problem. I have already fixed everything else on this truck. The brake line, the freaking vacuum leak. I'm just gonna pop this back out and throw it back over in the first one. So yeah. Anyway, that is basically all that I had for this video. I just wanted to show you guys that we now have working lights. And yeah, I need to clean this up. It's got some overspray on it. But yeah, this is how you fix your lights on your truck. So yeah, if you guys like this video, give it a big old fat hairy thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. And yeah, dude, if you guys know anything else, like, does this look right? Like, is the 60 supposed to be there? Is it supposed to be here? Blah 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 blah. I know I need to get a 40 for this. The 40 is for the ignition A. There's ignition A to ignition B. So there's supposed to be a 40 here. But yeah. And then these two are actually supposed to be 230s. See, man, this is why you don't buy vehicles from idiots that just take stuff out without looking at the diagram and putting it back together. So that is all that I have for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.